1,080 at 36 months, 757 like the airplane at 54, or 837 at 48. Put a check mark by the one that works best for you. Okay, that right there. And we'll get your new Mustang ready for delivery.
Absolutely not. I cannot make any of those payments.
Okay, let me guess. You want a lower payment?
Yeah.
All right,
Even that's way too much. And I was kind of looking to stay around 54 months, but I can't even make that 757 payment.
Ashley, this is evidence you're a perfectly normal human being, okay? Can I find a Mustang out there that will be 60 or 70 bucks less a month? Absolutely. But you told me that the equipment on the Mustang you picked out was exactly what you wanted, correct?
Yeah.
You said the color was right, the model was right. The vehicle itself is what's creating the 757 payment, okay? Mustangs don't go for 757 as a rule. Your Mustang does go for 757 as a rule. You've got a ton of premium equipment on this vehicle. All right, so my question is, are there any other options or accessories you want to add before you take delivery?